The HVAC in certain areas of the building has been an issue for the past several years, and when the HVAC has issues, we end up having instructional impact and we need to relocate classrooms. The two general areas where we seem to have the most impact are areas in which the location is really important, because when we have issues in the science wing, which is one of the areas that we need to improve, we can't just relocate an entire lab to another area of the building. Similarly, when we have HVAC issues in the PAC, we can't relocate an entire performance somewhere else. In the winter, when the heat is on, it is on to an excessive degree. Or when it's not working, it is cold, and our kids are wearing winter coats as they're trying to dissect things in the science labs. And then in the summer or in the late spring, when the air conditioning isn't working, we have classrooms that really are just unbearable, and then we need to relocate the students and the staff. Our school system is really important. It should be important not only to people who have students in the community, but really to everyone who lives here, because the school system is a foundation of our community.